So you've had a rough go of it, kinda, huh?
And I'm not trying to use it.
No, I don't want you to, I didn't say you were trying to use any.
I just,
Hang on. So you got a daughter that's 8 now, probably, right? With this, I have Timothy Jamie Whittle, 25B148379. A, I have 25B148379C, 25T645972A, 25B148379B. And I also have 21F235726A. All right, Mr. Whittle, your name?
Timothy Jamie Whittle.
Mr. Graziani?
John Graziani, attorney on behalf of Timothy Whittle, Judge.
So I revoked his status, his 7411 status, after he pled guilty. He had multiple violations. And then I set it over here for a sentencing date on this charge. I'd initially sentenced him to clear all warrants by February 20 of 26, serve 3 days on the court work program, attend outpatient treatment. And we've got
Judge, very briefly, he was incarcerated in Wayne County Jail. He got out this past Friday.
how long was he in custody?
14 days, Judge. We have the evidence. What the reason being, Judge, is that was a separate matter in Lincoln Park, and in lieu of paying fines and court costs, he, an old past matter, Judge. And he's still dealing with the, court dates. He is setting up, he's already set up dates to deal with the warrants, Judge. In fact, he's taking,
Can you give me a first page of a register of actions, Mr. I'm sorry, go ahead.
he's continued taking these steps, Judge. In addition to that, he paid $283 in the past several weeks to address, the amount of fines and court costs that your court imposes.
You need the first page of a misdemeanor?
Right here. That one.
Yeah.
Heather, can you have somebody bring down a misdemeanor register of actions? We're out of them.
I found it.
Oh, okay.
Got someone.
Got it.
Remind me, did he pay his fines on this? The
He has
admission,
not paid everything, Judge. He recently paid $283.
how much does he owe on that now, Heather? On the 3798 file? That's the only one I'm addressing right now.
379A has a balance of $680.
And he didn't attend outpatient treatment either. You don't want to listen to people, do you? You kind of think you know it all, right?
But he's been really taking steps. Go ahead if you'd like to talk.
But my outpatient treatment has been scheduled since the court date before last, but it's like, I call them, I'm just getting, I don't know how to get it right until the 11th. That's the earliest they could have got me.
Judge, he's been aggressive about it. Again, for a guy who's barely making it, to pay $282, it's a tremendous accomplishment. Just to let you know that at work, I mean, the factory job, he couldn't have this job if he didn't pass the drug test. He's tested once a month on the job. Is that correct, Mr. Whittle?
When are you scheduled for your intake on your outpatient?
June 11th is definitely 3 days from now. And it's been scheduled for quite some time.
Is there anything else you'd like to say? Let's just take these one at a time. He's got all kinds of time to pay issues on these others.
Just what I've said, and so the court takes into consideration this man's caught between a rock and a hard place, and he's basically homeless. He sleeps in his car.
Why'd you let that happen? Call, yeah, and I tell her I need the screening report on this.
December 2025, this past December, I got arrested, going home, and I stand the warrants. This court.
The same warrants I told you to clear at the time of the original sentence by February 20th, right?
I'm in progress. It's not on everything.
Listen to you. Listen to me. He's a well-spoken kid. What are you doing? Did you graduate?
Yes. So I'm in college right now
Where?
at Washington Community College.
And what are you doing for a living?
I work at a factory. We draw transmissions for Ford.
Which one?
Sounds local logistics.
How much do you make an hour?
16,
How many hours you working?
40 hours a week, watching overtime Saturdays whenever it calls.
Judge, he had,
Where are your parents?
My mom's passed and my dad in St. Louis is there.
Judge, also, he had the job at Famous Dave's and he lost it while he was in the, what do you call it, Wayne County Jail.
For what? What was he in the Wayne County Jail for?
Go ahead, explain the matter in Lincoln.
Judge
Zelenik.
Zelenik out of Lincoln Park, he asked me, gave me an ultimatum me to do 14 days and pay $1,200 that day, and I didn't have $1,200. And so my daughter was in the hospital and last 2 weeks still because I was in jail.
Did you do the full 14 days?
Well, for more because I was an older too.
Because you what?
So it's
How you doing? Your name?
Madam Restoration?
Yeah, good morning. Can I see that screen, please? So you've had a rough go of it, kinda, huh?
and I'm not from you, man.
No, I don't want you to, I didn't say you were trying to use any.
I just
Hang on. So you got a daughter that's 8 now, probably, right? In a beginning vehicle to steal property less than 200 back in 18. Otherwise, it's pretty unremarkable, except you just decided you weren't ever going to show up for court. Drive while suspended, you got a ton of those warrants that you didn't show up on.
Judge, regarding the warrants, he is setting up dates. He has to.
You're gonna ruin your life. I know, I just want to talk to him a second. You're gonna ruin your life and you're a well-spoken kid. You are a well-spoken kid and you are going to ruin your life if you continue on this little journey that you're on. I'm dead serious. These are the most important years of your life. You're what, 24 or 5 now? Now, I've always thought 19, 17 to 25, 26 is the most important years, and you're just,
yeah.
ma'am,
Sorry.
you gotta take your phone out of the courtroom, please. Whatever that was. It's gotta go. Thank you. I know, but are you gonna have to leave the courtroom with your phone or whatever that is?
Ma'am, the judge said.
Ma'am, you have to leave the
You gotta take the
courtroom,
phone out.
okay? Talk to your dad.
Since we contacted 3 years ago, I got a good relationship with. Recently, and so I was going to talk to Miss O'Donnell about taking like 2 days to go down on St. Louis to go to her funeral
When's the funeral?
next Monday.
What, were they divorced?
They got married and then they was both in the Navy, and my mom did her 20 years, my dad didn't, and it didn't work out. I guess I never seen much of them growing up. I never got the full story of their relationship regarding me. My mom never had any bad things to say about it. But she never really experienced much of the dad around. She starts to talk to him regularly.
You what?
I reach out to him now and talk to him regularly.
How often's regularly?
Once a week. Once a week. Yeah, about once a week.
So you guys are on good terms?
Yeah, our conversations mostly about sports. See every sports together. We talk about baseball. We've had more than 10 court dates since the first time you saw me in December. Been taking every single thing you say to me, every single time you say it to me, every single.
You're a very sincere kid. You can go a long way. Yeah, I'm gonna do. You spent 14 days in jail, right? Did you spend, how many days did you spend in jail?
I think it was 14 on here, like 16, the weekend, the other 4, and then this weekend.
Give me 1 second. You guys might get tired sitting there for a minute, so if you want to sit down, feel free. You want to, Rick John, and seriously.
I'm all set, Judge. Thank you so much.
Be honest with me. When's the last time, look at me in the eye. When is the last time you used a drug?
Last time,
Any kind of drug?
Hey,
A month ago? A month and a half ago?
2 months ago.
What other, this was a cocaine case.
Never in my life used cocaine. I don't play guilty to that because the public attorney the defender I had on the case said he would adjourn it if I didn't agree to his terms, which I still adjourned. So I just agreed. But I didn't even have it. I never did no drugs. Didn't drink alcohol with my friends. Like any other college kid. And I used to smoke weed heavily in high school, but I didn't even smoke it that much before the probation started. So that's why. Like,
Do you have any other probation going on? Heather, I just want to confirm on 379B, he owes 125?
379B has a zero balance. He paid that off today.
Judge, that was a part of the 283.
Yeah. I can either send him to Judge Hessen on this other one. How much does he owe on 21F235-726A? That's Judge Hessen.
275.
You want to go to Judge Hessen or you want me to handle this? Are you okay with that?
Judge, I have no problems.
Here's what I want you to do. What does he owe on 379C?
275 also.
What does he owe on 25P645-972A?
That has a zero balance. That was also paid off today.
All right. So on 25T645-972A, I'll make a note. He paid the balance in full. Case closed. On 5726A, well, I'm sorry. On 25B148379B, he paid that in full. True?
That is correct.
Case closed. On 25B148379C, he owes 275, right?
That's correct.
On 21F235726A, he owes 275, right?
Correct.
And on 25B148379A, He owes 680, right?
Yes.
On 25B 14837-9C, it's a sentence of the court, you pay 275 or serve 16 days. Credit 16 that you served in Lincoln Park. On 21F 235-726A, it's a sentence of the court that you pay 275 or serve 16 days, credit 16 that defendant served in Lincoln Park. On the case that I'm here to sentence you on 25B 14837-9A, for which you didn't serve your court work, all that, I'm simply going to say that you are going to serve 16 days jail, credit 16. I'm closing that case. I'm going to believe in you. Now, I want you to listen to me. You have a lot of potential. You're smart. Take this and run with it, will you please? You don't have to thank me. I believe in you. When you're doing well, will you come back and tell me? And now you can leave the state if you're not on probation anywhere. Tell your dad that you got a good young man with him and tell him that the judge said that he really thinks you guys could have a great relationship. Best of luck to you, young man. I wish you well. Thanks. I don't know what I did with the screening report. It's probably in one of these files. Will one of you guys dig it out for me? Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Come back and tell me when you're running the Pentagon or something. Good luck. Brittany, Michelle.
This courtroom moment showcased the power of fairness, compassion, and second chances within the justice system. Throughout the hearing, the judge carefully listened to the defendant's struggles, acknowledged his efforts to improve, and looked beyond past mistakes to see his potential. Rather than focusing only on punishment, the court emphasized personal growth, responsibility, and the opportunity to build a better future. The judge's words reflected the true purpose of justice, holding people accountable while encouraging positive change. Cases like this remind us that courts are not only about consequences, but also about guidance, hope, and the belief that people can turn their lives around.